Okay, so let's go ahead and find a formula for the area of a regular n-sided polygon today. So we're going to go ahead and sketch, I guess we're going to sketch a hexagon. That's going to be representative of a, or fairly should be representative of a polygon that we're accustomed to seeing. Okay, going to try to make this look as regular as we can. Okay. Alright, looks pretty good. Let's get the vertices in here. Okay, so it has n sides. Okay, and we want to identify the center here. Okay. And since it's regular, we know we're going to have a kind of symmetry developing. That would be, of course, true for any regular polygon. And we want to think about the side being of length k. So these are all going to be length k here. Okay, and then we want to think about the areas of these, in this case, 6 polygons, 6 triangles rather, and what angle alpha here is going to be. Okay, and we'll call this h for the height of one of those triangles. Okay, so to find out what alpha is, we need to realize we're taking 360 degrees and we're dividing it by 2n. Okay, in this case it's a 6-sided polygon, a hexagon, so we have 6 times 2, so 12. 360 divided by 12 would be one of these angle measurements. So alpha is going to be 360 degrees over 2n, okay, which is actually just 180 degrees over n. Okay. Now, to find this h value, we would be tempted to use the tangent of alpha. So we could say the tangent of alpha is equal to k over 2 over h. Okay. Since this is, after all, an isosceles triangle, we know that these base angles here are congruent. Therefore, we know this altitude is the same as the angle bisector, same as the median, same thing as the perpendicular bisector of this side. So these will be congruent there. So the tangent of alpha is 1/2 of k over h. Okay, well, we know that alpha is 180 degrees over n, so we can say certainly that the tangent of 180 degrees over n, okay, let's make that look a little better, is equal to k over 2h. Okay. So now we're going to be interested in solving for h, so we know that h is equal to, multiplying both sides by h, dividing both sides by the tangent of 180 over n. H is going to be equal to k over 2 tangent of 180 degrees over n. Okay. Well, we're just about done, because to find the area of this polygon, we just want to add up all these triangles. In this case, we've got 6, but in general, we're going to have n of them. So the area is going to be equal to n, because there are n triangles, times 1/2 times the base times the height. Just like that. Okay. And this will simplify to nk squared over 4, okay, because there's a 2 there, tangent of 180 degrees over n. Okay, so there you go. A formula for the area of a regular n-sided polygon with side length k. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, and concerns. We're always receptive to recommendations for future content. Have a great rest of your day, and we will see you in the next video.